How's it going, everybody? Finally got something to talk about here. I had the trailer hitch installed, and I also had them put the cutoff on the air conditioning so I can take those components out in the back. But I just picked the car up from the mechanics, and I wanted to see how heavy this scooter was on here. I'm going to have to beef up the suspension a little bit in the back because the van is literally empty in there. It's just some stuff for work I haul around. But air conditioning still works good up front. I haven't gotten to tearing apart anything in the back. That'll probably be on the next video. I believe there's also water going back there for the heat, so I can bypass that myself. That's not that hard. I just didn't want to mess with that air conditioning. So yeah, it fit pretty good. I haven't driven it yet, but so far everything works good except for that trunk on that scooter sticking out there a little bit. I think there's only 4 bolts underneath there that comes off, but I have the stereo wired into that thing, so I don't know what I'm going to do. But just a little short video here to let you know I'm still out here. Have a good one, everybody.